Now we're going to do an over-the-air update to 4 separate devices in this car at the same time. We're going to update the Oryx platform, we're going to update the Mentor AutoSAR platform, we're going to update the backup camera, which is a small RTOS, and we're going to update the Hella body control module for the rear of the car, which is on a separate CAN bus. So we have 4 software packages that have been downloaded to the car. As the user, I could schedule where and when I want to do that installation, but for the sake of our demonstration here, I will update right away. Now, the client in the vehicle will be contacting the agents that have software updates for them, and it will be notifying those agents, verifying the secure connection, and the agents will begin the update process. Key to understanding eSync is to understand that the agent does the majority of the work, and so the update can happen with all devices in the car simultaneously. So we can see the reprogramming of the Mentor ECU platform, and we can see the reprogramming of the Oryx ECU platform is underway. We can now see that we have already completed the Mentor update. We are still updating camera, Hella body control module, and Oryx platform. They are reflashing. From the server in the cloud, I can also observe 1 out of 4 components is now successful, and now we have 2 out of 4 components successful. Oryx is done and Mentor is done. That's a total of 4 new softwares downloaded to the vehicle. We're on 2 different CAN buses and an Ethernet device, 2 AutoSAR devices, 1 device bare metal, and 1 device with a small RTOS, all completed in less than 4 minutes.